how can I talk to you? 'Cause I want to tell you that you're looking kinda good, and I want to know if we can get together tonight. I see you walking down the road, and I wonder if you have a special love. And if you don't, then can I be your man? Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. And I must say that you were driving me Pupule. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. And I must say that you were driving me Pupule. I'm a big lover. Ehele maika moi, so I can put it inside. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. And I must say that you were driving me Pupule. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. See that you were driving me Pupule. So tell me what time you want to leave, so we can eat dinner and watch a movie. And after that we'll just have to wait and see. Can't deny, and I see it in your eyes that you feel the same way I do. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. And I must say that you were driving me Pupule. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, still moving that sexy body, girl. I must say that you were driving me Pupule. Hey, haku helu kele pona, ovai ko winoa. Girl, you know that I'm the big lover. Hey, hele mai kamoi, so I can put it inside. Because I've been watching you from across the way, girl, moving that sexy body, girl. I must say that you were driving me Pupule. Because I've been watching you from across